Hi, this is Tanya Mead with SearchRemotely.com. Today we'll talk about ways to use Twitter to get a remote job. Sure, Twitter is used for fun, but it also can be used to get hired. The 5 ways to use Twitter to get hired. Number 1, post articles about school lectures and ask for feedback. 2, follow industry leaders in your profession. 3, post about industry articles and podcasts. 4, use hashtags relevant to your targeted job. 5, join professional clubs and post about activities. For more detailed information, go to our website at searchremotely.com and look for Twitter outperforms for job seekers and online business despite negativity. We hope that you've enjoyed this article as well as this video, and we'd hope that you would contact us. You can visit our website at searchremotely.com. You're welcome to send an email at info@searchremotely.com, or you can phone us at 1-971-373-6683. Have a good day. We hope to see you again soon.